Every year, thousands of people buy the wrong SUV. They walk into a dealership, fall in love with a shiny paint color, and sign papers based on feelings instead of facts. 6 months later, they're surprised by high fuel bills. 5 years later, they're dealing with expensive repairs. Edmunds did something different. They spent years tracking real ownership data, repair costs, depreciation, fuel efficiency, reliability across hundreds of thousands of miles. Then they ranked every SUV based on what actually happens after you drive it home. The results surprised even them. Some luxury names you trust didn't make the cut. Several popular, safe choices are completely missing. And the #1 SUV changes what best means in 2026. Here are the 7 SUVs Edmunds says are actually worth your money. Number 7, Mazda CX-70. The Mazda CX-70 lands at number 7 for one simple reason. It feels like a luxury SUV, but costs like a regular one. Most brands try to stuff 3 rows of seats into every SUV. Mazda went the opposite direction. They made the CX-70 a 2-row vehicle on purpose. Fewer seats mean less weight, better fuel economy, and lower maintenance costs. Open the door and the first thing you notice is the quality. The materials inside feel like something from Lexus. Soft surfaces everywhere, clean design. Nothing flashy that will look dated in 5 years. Under the hood, Mazda keeps things simple. No complicated turbo systems. Just smooth, reliable power that will still be running strong at 150,000 miles. On the road, it handles better than almost anything in its class. Yet it remains quiet and comfortable for daily commuting. The CX-70 wins by not trying to be everything to everyone. For buyers who want premium, feel without premium headaches. This is a smart pick. Number 6, Honda Passport. The Honda Passport might be the most overlooked SUV on sale today, and that's exactly why Edmunds likes it. Sitting between the smaller CR-V and the bigger Pilot, the Passport avoids the problems of both. It's spacious without being massive, capable without pretending to be a Jeep. Under the hood sits a simple V6 engine, no turbochargers, no complex parts waiting to break. When you keep a car for a long time, simple is better. But here's where the Passport gets interesting. It can actually go off-road. The available all-wheel drive system includes real hardware, a locking rear differential, drive modes for mud and sand. If you live where it snows or roads get rough, you'll be glad it's there. Despite this capability, it drives smooth and quiet on pavement. The Passport makes sense for buyers who want an SUV that can handle real life, snowy commutes, hauling stuff from the hardware store. It does all of it without breaking the bank later. Number 5, Toyota Grand Highlander Hybrid. Families face a tough choice. Get something big enough for everyone, or get something affordable to run. The Grand Highlander Hybrid says you can have both. Most 3-row SUVs cram in a tiny 3rd row that only children can use. Not this one. Adults sit comfortably in the back. Even with all seats up, there's still room behind them for luggage. The hybrid system is what makes this SUV special. Toyota has been building hybrids for over 20 years. The result is a massive vehicle that gets fuel economy similar to much smaller cars. You save hundreds of dollars every year at the pump. No range anxiety either. Fill it up and drive across the country without thinking about charging stations. Maintenance costs stay low. Insurance rates stay reasonable. And when you sell it years later, Toyota resale value means you get more money back. It's not exciting. It just works perfectly for families who need space without breaking their budget. Number 4, Subaru Outback. The Subaru Outback isn't pretty. It's not fast, but it might be the smartest choice for anyone living where weather gets nasty. Every single Outback comes with all-wheel drive. No extra cost, no special package, just standard equipment that helps you stay safe when roads turn bad. Subaru owners are weirdly loyal. There's a reason. These cars regularly hit 200,000 miles with nothing but regular oil changes. The Outback avoids expensive high-tech features that break after the warranty expires. Visibility is another win. You can actually see out of this thing. Big windows, thin pillars. No guessing where the corners are. The cargo area is wide and useful. Throw in camping gear, load up dogs, haul furniture. It all fits. For buyers who want confidence in bad weather and a vehicle that will last forever, the Outback delivers exactly that. Number 3, Toyota RAV4. Car people call the RAV4 boring. They're right, and that's exactly why it wins. This is what experts call an appliance vehicle, like your refrigerator. You don't fall in love with it. You just appreciate that it works every single day without complaining. The RAV4's reputation for hitting 200,000 miles isn't marketing. It's real. Toyota builds them for durability first. The hybrid version is where smart money goes. Nearly 40 miles per gallon in real-world driving. That adds up to thousands saved over the years. And unlike electric vehicles, there's no anxiety about finding chargers or replacing expensive batteries. Resale value is the RAV4's secret weapon. These vehicles hold their price better than almost anything else. When you finally sell, you get more cash back. If you want excitement, buy something else. If you want an SUV that will save you money for a decade, buy the RAV4. Number 2, Lexus TX350H. Luxury SUVs usually come with a hidden cost, expensive repairs, matters. Fast depreciation. The Lexus TX350H avoids all of it. Underneath the fancy body sits Toyota's proven hybrid technology. The same stuff that runs for hundreds of thousands of miles in regular Toyotas. You get the luxury experience without the financial gamble. Fuel economy surprises everyone. For a 3-row luxury SUV, it sips gas like something much smaller. Inside, everything feels expensive without feeling fragile. Real wood, soft leather, quiet cabin. The 3rd row actually fits adults, which is rare in this class. Money-wise, this is the smart luxury buy. Depreciation hits Lexus less hard than BMW or Mercedes. Insurance costs stay reasonable. 5 years from now, you won't regret buying this. For buyers who want status without stress, the TX350H makes a powerful case. Number 1, Honda CR-V Hybrid. Edmunds picked the Honda CR-V Hybrid as the best SUV you can buy in 2026. The reason is simple. It gets ownership right in every single category. This is the SUV for people who want something that starts every morning, costs less to live with, and never surprises them with huge repair bills. Honda's hybrid system hits the sweet spot. Excellent fuel economy and real driving, no range anxiety like electric cars, no learning curve for charging. Just fill it and go. Reliability is where the CR-V dominates. Simple design, proven parts, less stuff to break. When you're at 150,000 miles, you'll still trust it for road trips. The interior won't impress Instagram. That's on purpose. Everything sits where you expect. Buttons do what buttons should do. Comfort matters more than flash. Insurance companies love the CR-V. Safety scores are top-notch. That means lower premiums every single year. Resale value quietly beats almost everything else. When you eventually sell, you get more money back. The Honda CR-V Hybrid doesn't turn heads, it doesn't impress neighbors, it quietly saves you money, reduces stress, and delivers exactly what an SUV should deliver. Transportation you can trust for years without financial regret. And that's why Edmunds says it's the best SUV you can buy in 2026. Which one would you choose? Every SUV on this list earned its spot through real data, not marketing hype. Whether you need 3 rows, off-road capability, or just the lowest possible ownership costs, there's something here for you. If this helped you make a smarter choice, hit like and subscribe, and drop a comment telling us which SUV you'd buy and why.